Hello, this is Celine. In this video today, I'm going to share with you how do you saute your onions without oil, without fat. A pan, cut onion, fire, put the onion in there, stir it. Now, let's talk a little bit about fat. Here is peanut butter from Trader Joe's. Look, on top of that peanut butter, here is oil. So when you eat a whole food plant-based, you do not want just oil. Look at what you are missing out from this peanut. You're missing all this. You're missing from the whole peanut the vitamins, the minerals, the fiber. So in the whole food plant-based movement, when you want to eat fat, you get it directly from the plant. Avocado, nuts and seeds. This is cashew nuts. Nuts, pecans. How do they get the oil? So let's talk, for example, about, for the sake of argument, cashew oil. They take the cashew, they press it, and they give an oil, and they toss the rest. And all you have is the fat. That 1 gram, the 1 gram of that fat is 9 calories. Eat the whole cashew, you'll get the fat. It's not because you are not seeing it that it's not in there. So let's come back to this one in there. In addition, hot oil is not good for our metabolism. So what is happening now is, you see it's starting to stick to the pot. All I do is, I take some water, this is water, I put it in there. I am going to deglaze it. Fancy word, isn't it? And I keep on stirring it. You see, it's starting to become brown. Isn't it what we're trying to do with the oil or the butter? So I'm going to make, as I'm confined home here, a series of how to give you some practical tips on how you continue your journey for your health, embracing a mainly plant-based nutrition. You keep on going until you get the what you want. As it sticks to the bottom in there, it's going to stick because it actually, what it's doing is it's becoming caramel because you have sugar in it.